Hi everyone, hello. Today I want to show you the withdrawal process of Perplexity, also known as the Comet browser, which was launched in October. Recently, many users have been struggling to withdraw their money from Comet. In this video, I will explain how to withdraw the money, the tricks to unlock the withdrawal option, and how to add your bank account. Just follow the steps I'm explaining and you'll be able to withdraw your money easily. So, let's get started. First, you can see my payouts page in Comet. Here, I want to show you the different stages: pending, processing, proceed, sent, and completed. Most users' money is getting stuck in the pending stage. What I want to say is, if you want your money to move forward from the pending stage, you must use Perplexity continuously for at least 2 weeks. After that, you will get access to the withdrawal and you'll be able to receive your money. Now, the first trick is to add your bank account. Go to the Payments section, add your bank details, and make sure everything is filled correctly so you can receive the payment without any issues. The second trick is to actively use Perplexity. For example, search or type something like tiger daily at least 2 times. Next, you can also search something related to PGN or any topic daily for 1 or 2 days. If you keep using Perplexity like this, within 2 weeks, your payment process will move forward. As you can see now, my payment status is in the sent stage. It will be completed within 1 to 3 days. Although it shows paid on Jan 30, the amount has not yet been credited, which means the process is not fully completed. Once it's completed, the amount will reflect in the bank account. You can also download the invoice. This is my invoice, and you can see my payment proof as well. That's all about this video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You'll get more interesting earning-related content like this, and you can earn money too. Thank you.